everyone, today we are here in Churchgate. Churchgate is one of the busiest streets in Mumbai. There is the Churchgate station, the famous colleges all around, the Marine Drive where people come for a walk, so many restaurants, cafes, offices, residents, hostels. So this is one of the busy streets in Mumbai where the famous Churchgate station is. So here we are going to find a cafe for Minnie and me to have some chai and coffee.
Hey peeps, today it is Coco and Minnie, your tea and coffee connoisseurs. We are here at Stadium to try our tea and coffee. We've been coming here since our childhood, but today is going to be so special to come back, taste the chai, the Nescafe that we've always been having since when we were in our college days. Come.
Stadium is located in the heart of Churchgate. This place pulls up all kinds of crowd, be it students, office goers, the local train travelers, the residence area around this, the hostel people, people who come for a walk to Marine Drive. So do come to this place and try their tea, coffee and all types of meals.
So here's an exciting episode with your tea and coffee connoisseurs, Coco and Minnie. We are here at Stadium to try some amazing tea, mesmerizing coffee and the delicious Parsi snacks.
Let me tell you something, this place is going to complete 100 years. It's so cool, right? Minnie and me have a very special connection with this place. We have been visiting this place since our childhood, then our college days, then our work meetings. Casually when we come to Marine Drive for a walk, we stop by and do enjoy a chai and coffee. So this has been one of our favorite places since childhood, and you can imagine completing 100 years, this place must be so old yet so good and classy.
So this place is simple but classy in its own manner. The best part is the table arrangements. They have the menu card right here, so you don't have to ask for a physical card in your hand. What are we eating today, Coco?
I think let's go with our childhood favorite today. My specialty, your Nescafe and the toast butter jam.
Completely. I completely agree on that thing with you. So obviously the Parsi dishes that they serve here is the dhansak, the rice, the gravies and the caramel custard, the bun maska, and there are loads of other options. But today I think we're just going to stick to our basic things and just cherish our childhood memories.
So let's place the order. I love these Parsi outlets. It's so calm and nice here. You're never judged. Whether you come in your tracks, whether you come here dressed up, you have only a cup of tea or coffee and you just leave. It doesn't matter. You're just not judged. You can just come here, enjoy your tea, coffee, food, whatever you want to, right?
Completely. Here the coffee and the tea is there.
I can totally remember our college days, how we used to come here and have this every day, right?
Yes, those were the days that we can never forget.
Yeah. I can't wait to try this tea. I think we've come here after really long, Minnie.
Yes, it's been years now.
The tea is so good, it's so perfect. That typical Irani chai with just the right amount of sugar, no extra masala added. I can just feel my childhood having this chai.
So I'm going to have my Nescafe without the sugar today. It is yet so tasty, yeah. The coffee is really made so very well and the aroma of the coffee is simply mesmerizing. Did you know that having 1 cup of coffee a day stays in your body for about 6 hours to give you that extended energy? No wonder I am like so enthusiastic the whole day and troubling everyone around me. Yeah, Coco?
Totally. I'm just so enjoying my food right now.
So it's always been a hearty experience to come here at these Irani cafes and try their tea and the coffee. Obviously the dishes that they serve are so delicious, so heartwarming, and the prices are very reasonable. No wonder they pull a lot of crowd for the culture, for the food, and not to forget the tea and the coffee. So the best part about this Irani cafe is the simple atmosphere that we get here. As you can see, the table settings are so simple. The tablecloths are the age-old tablecloths. The kitchen is right here behind me. The setting arrangement is done in a very nice manner. It is yet calm, very friendly. We can have a cup of tea and your cup of coffee peacefully sitting in here. Uncle, it's been very nice to come here after so long. You know, since our college days, me and my sister have been coming here for the tea and coffee. So tell us a little bit about the tradition of the place, Uncle.
You are most welcome, मैम। ये जगह जो है कम से कम 100 साल पुराना है
जी
और बहुत कस्टमर भी आते हैं,
जी।
फॉरेनर आते हैं, टूरिस्ट आते हैं, इंडियन भी आते हैं
जी।
और जो आते हैं मतलब खुशी से आते हैं और खुशी से जा रहे हैं।
अंकल, इतनी
और-
सारी डिशेस हैं आपके मेन्यू पे, तो अभी लोग क्या ज़्यादा पारसी डिशेस ही ज़्यादा लेते हैं
सब
कि
mix
आप,
है,
क्योंकि आपने
पारसी-
काफ़ी ना इसमें देखिए सैंडविचेस, चाइनीज स्नैक्स वगैरह भी
फारसी
रखा
डिशेस
है।
तो फेमस है और दूसरा कीमा पाव, चिकन बिरयानी
अच्छा,
और ये सब चीज़ बहुत फेमस है यहाँ। और ये कीमा तो बहुत फेमस है कि बहुत दूर से भी आते हैं पब्लिक खाने के लिए।
वाह, हम तो स्पेशली चाय और कॉफ़ी के लिए आते हैं। सो पीपल, इफ यू नो, सर्विंग सो मेनी
स्नैक्स
वेराइटीज
के
दैट
लिए
दे हैव।
बन मस्का चाय बहुत
जी।
फेमस है।
जी
बहुत सारे लोग बहुत दूर से आते हैं खाने के लिए।
जी। So the Parsi dishes and the bun maska and the tea and coffee is yet the favorite among these Parsi cafes. So peeps, hope you've been enjoying these little experiences with us. We've had a great time at the Irani Cafe today, getting back to our age-old days of having the tea and the coffee. So here's bidding goodbye for today. Your tea and coffee connoisseurs, Coco and Minnie. Do subscribe to our channel, do like the channel and don't forget to ring the bell. See ya!